It is used when referring politely to the need to go to the toilet. The urge to urinate or defecate.
Two colleagues talking.
Where is John? I need to speak to him urgently.
He went to use the washroom.
Whenever I need him, he is always answering the call of nature.
He mentioned that he only had to urinate, so he should be back soon. Two friends talking.
How are you doing with your new babysitting job?
Pretty well, thanks. I have learned that just after the baby eats, is when she often needs to answer the call of nature.
That's what we all do.
No, there is a lot of difference.